keeping you connected to our community. 11 Connects.
What's more American than owning a home? I'm Laura Nicole, your host of 11 Connects. And today I'm talking with Marquesa Hobbs of the Platinum Real Estate Group. Welcome back in, Marquesa.
Thank you for having me.
All right, we're talking about home buying this time and what to do to get ready if you're looking to buy a home, because that is the American dream. Am I right?
You are right. Home ownership is almost every American's dream and goal, and it's a great way to build wealth and financial security. So I love helping people build and achieve this dream, and I'm happy to report that we're seeing more buyers come out right now. So interest rates have stabilized a little bit. They're back from the high sevens that they were earlier. We're down in the sixes. We have more programs to help buy down interest rates, maybe some, down payment assistance, lots of programs. But a lot of people are coming out of the sidelines because they're feeling more comfortable with the landscape and what's happening.
Good news for buyers and sellers.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Are we predicted to stay this way? I think last time we were talking about, the market kind of was deciding to settle. Are we settling?
Yes, resettling. So it's interesting. We're coming into an election time as well, which can make some people uneasy. And what's interesting is right now we're expecting things to stay fairly stable, interest rates to maybe come down a little bit in the fall, but more people are coming back out, inventory is coming back up. So if you've been thinking about home ownership, it's a great time to get ready.
That's great. That's what great news. And maybe you could tell us a little bit about the plan.
Yes.
If we're thinking about getting ready, we're looking at this summer, this fall, or putting it on our horizon.
Yes.
What should we be doing now to plan?
Yeah, great question. It is never too early to start planning. So whether you want to buy a home this year or you're thinking about maybe it's a 6-month goal, a year goal, never too early to start. So what's really important to know is what are your wants and your needs? What are your negotiables and non-negotiables? Are there areas you're interested in, whether it's for schools, conveniences, shopping, restaurants? The more clear you can be on what's important to you, the easier it is for you to find neighborhoods that are going to support that.
Well, I really like having all of it, Marquesa. That is a hard thing to do, to make the wants and needs list. But you, I think, are pretty plugged into all over the city. Am I right? Like as far as neighborhoods go, finding us that spot, whether it's a yard or a school or like you were saying, shopping and restaurants and things that we're interested in. Do you have a favorite neighborhood or part of the city?
Gosh, there are so many for different reasons. And I love to guide people and share some of my favorites and why. What I see really helps people is having a team support them. So if somebody's thinking of buying, it's a great idea to get a trusted realtor on your side because they can help refine and help you really key in on neighborhoods, price points in neighborhoods, because as you know, neighborhoods have different price points.
Yeah.
So that's all important, which also leads into that next piece, which is huge, which is the financial side, because even though you like a neighborhood, financially it needs to work. So talking to some trusted lenders to go through different scenarios is also a really important piece of the puzzle.
I love it. That's really great advice. Yeah. It's a really great season to be doing these things and looking at all of these cute flags that you brought in. Yes. You said you delivered 900 around the city?
So we are delivering over 900 around the city. I've been doing this for about 10 years. And every year I put a different card on there that has something patriotic, some kind of history about our country, about the flag. And my hope is just to spread hope and appreciation for all those who serve and unite our country. So I deliver them to all my clients, special neighborhood or certain neighborhoods. So if you want a flag in your yard, reach out.
I'm taking one. I'm going to put one in my yard.
Please do.
So cute.
Please do. But this is a great time to just love where we live and be so grateful for our freedom.
I love it. And how can you miss that with the beautiful views we have every day?
Absolutely.
In such an American iconic site. Thank you for being with us. You guys make sure to check out Marquesa's website. Reach out if you'd like to grab a flag. And thanks for coming in.
Thank you for having me.